Have you ever felt trapped in a relationship where you constantly question your own worth, where your needs are ignored, and where it feels like the other person thrives on your pain? If this resonates with you, chances are you've been dealing with a narcissist. But today, I'm here to help you take a step toward freedom. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies on how to detach emotionally, mentally, and even physically from a narcissist. Stick with me until the end because these steps could change your life. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why detaching from a narcissist is essential. Narcissists thrive on control, manipulation, and emotional dependence. They often keep you hooked through tactics like love bombing, gaslighting, and intermittent reinforcement. That push and pull dynamic where they give just enough to keep you invested, but never enough to fulfill your emotional needs. Detachment is about reclaiming your power and breaking free from their toxic influence. It's not about changing them, because narcissists rarely change, but about protecting your own mental health and emotional well-being. The first step to detaching is recognizing the patterns of abuse and manipulation. Ask yourself, do they gaslight you, making you doubt your own reality? Do they constantly belittle your feelings or dismiss your achievements? Are they excessively controlling, dictating how you should feel, think, or act? Understanding their behavior isn't about blaming yourself, but about identifying the toxic cycle you're in. Awareness is the foundation for change. One of the hardest steps is accepting that the narcissist will not change. Narcissists are experts at presenting themselves as victims or promising change when they sense they're losing control. However, genuine change requires deep self-awareness and accountability, traits most narcissists lack. When you accept this reality, you can stop wasting energy trying to fix the relationship and redirect that energy into healing yourself. Build emotional detachment. Emotional detachment is the cornerstone of breaking free. Here's how to start. First, stop seeking their approval. Narcissists condition you to seek their validation, but it's a trap. Practice self-validation by affirming your own feelings and decisions. Instead of asking, "Did I do the right thing?" say, "I made the best decision I could with the information I had." Next, identify your triggers. What keeps you emotionally tied to them? Is it fear, guilt, or hope for change? Journaling or therapy can help you unpack these triggers. Finally, practice grey rocking. This technique involves becoming as emotionally unresponsive as possible when interacting with a narcissist. Keep conversations neutral and avoid reacting to their provocations. Part 5. Set boundaries and enforce them. Setting boundaries is crucial when detaching from a narcissist. Start with these steps. Be clear and direct. For example, say, "I need space and will not respond to messages after 8 p.m. Limit contact. If possible, go no contact. If that's not feasible due to shared responsibilities like children, adopt low contact strategies. Only communicate about essential matters and avoid personal topics. And finally, prepare for pushback. Narcissists hate boundaries because it limits their control. Expect them to test your limits, but stay firm. Part 6. Build a support system. Detaching from a narcissist can feel isolating, but you don't have to do it alone. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or support groups who can provide emotional validation and encouragement. Therapy is also invaluable. A professional can help you process the trauma, build self-esteem, and create a plan for moving forward. Detaching isn't just about getting away from the narcissist. It's about reconnecting with yourself. Here's how. 1. Reclaim your identity. Rediscover hobbies, passions, and interests that may have been sidelined during the relationship. 2. Practice self-compassion. It's easy to blame yourself for staying too long, but healing begins with forgiveness, especially forgiving yourself. 3. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. Exercise, mindfulness, and journaling can help you process your emotions and reduce stress. If you're living with a narcissist, physical detachment is critical. Here are some steps. 1. Create an exit plan. If you share finances or a home, consult a lawyer or financial advisor to plan your separation. 2. Prioritize safety. If the narcissist is abusive, consider reaching out to domestic abuse hotlines or shelters for guidance. 3. Cut ties gradually. Block their number, unfollow them on social media, and minimize shared spaces to reduce their influence over your life. Detaching from a narcissist isn't a one-time event. It's a process. You may feel moments of guilt, doubt, or even longing for the person they pretended to be. That's normal. Remind yourself of why you're doing this. Write a letter to yourself or keep a journal to document your progress. Celebrate even small victories, like standing firm on a boundary or going a week without responding to their manipulative messages. Breaking free from a narcissist isn't just about leaving the relationship. It's about regaining control of your life. By detaching emotionally, mentally, and physically, you're creating space for self-healing, self-love, and genuine happiness. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Narcissist Unmasked for more empowering content. As you move forward, remember that reclaiming your freedom is a journey, not a destination. Embrace each step with courage and resilience. You have the power to create a life filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching, and take care.